Pit stop. Bruh.
This sheep called Bartholomew Warshaw. See? Tired. We've been walking. My calves are getting bigger. I'm sweating on my back. And my brother's been sick like 3 times. I tried to get it on video, but once I saw him puke, I almost puked myself. Flies are everywhere. But there's one sheep that I like to call Bartholomew. He just won't be quiet. He's going. It's the one who's at the top who thinks he's the leader. Hi guys. Why am I bringing this beef for the sheep? Hi guys, I'm going to the waterfall and my feet are freezing. It's so cold, but it's a very nice view from here. And yeah, I'm trying to reach there. Let's go. Again. Who? Bartholomew, the sheep, and his companion Sean.
Well, I thought you were talking about me the whole time. I thought I was Bartholomew.
Just because I said Bartholomew.
Yeah.
There's Bartholomew, the sheep, and then his companion Sean, the sheep.
Where's Timmy?
I like it. I like
Too
the
loud with a lot.
sheep. Is that the CBeebies one?
Yeah, it's
Jimmy. Sleep, daddy's trap, when it's cold, always watching. There you go. Alright, time for your lullaby in your native language. There you go, there you go, there you go. What? Ow!
It's like that.
Ow! Yeah. Sleep, oh, naughty boy.
You got no service in comfort your music. I am the music.
What's up guys, it's Aldrin here. Today I'm live in Australia. I'm a bald eagle. Coca-Cola, you get me.
Andrew, you get me.
Oh, so fizzy, so sugary. Let me get more. Oh my god, it smells great. Lucozade. Coca-Cola has teamed up with Team Lucozade. And look what happens with our competitors. Our competitors like Fanta go down the drain. Now, welcome to near the end of the cola factory. Here, we will get our bottles and fill it up. Get ready to send it out with our nice Coca-Cola trucks. What's like your special treat doing? When you guys talk over me. Come here, Arla Bob. I'm just saying this is not sponsored by Arla Bob.
The milk.
I hope it is. These leaves are making my legs so itchy.
Then pull your pants down. I mean, like the legs, pant legs.
Alright, lesson 1. 1 times 1 equals not 2 but a 1. Did you? No, no. ASMR.
Hey, that's itchy.
You know, it reminds me of that scene in Nacho where he crunches up the things and go.
How do you feel about this walk?
Hey guys, welcome to Bear Grylls. This walk been very good, getting that calf muscle. You know, it's been very tiring. Seeing my brother puking made me want to puke. But you know, we just have to keep going. You know why? Because I'm Bear Grylls, the greatest man alive. I know how to fish, I know how to survive in the woods, I know how to do everything. Bear Grylls walks with his parents and his brother and sister. Bear Grylls unleash the wild. See, this is our only source of water. Coca-Cola River. Tastes like Coca-Cola.
Really? Drink it.
Okay.
Wait, let's get a close-up of that. Do it again.
Coca-Cola.
You're gonna actually drink it? No, for real, drink, try drink it.
As you can see, my parents are looking for flowers to eat. Yeah, she's trying to use Google Maps, but I told her it won't work because we're in the wild. No signal! And my brother, he's there waiting for the food to come. Well, I told him you gotta hunt for the food. And my lovely, lovely sister here is helping me get some food. What food? You know, flowers, the bugs. Tina and fiber. It's full of protein. See? Here come my brother.
Let's run!
Run! Run from the ugly monster!